same word His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the next president of the Republic of Ghana, and then the co-driver, Professor Jenana Opoku Ajimai. Kofi, na minyas ase kasa no kase mi na me pese me correcting the kakra. O see in this election bia ye win since 1992 bia no ye bre answer.
Akoma FM.
And I think that is inaccurate. 1992.
Rollins, post Rollins
time, NDC as a political party won the election with 58.3% with a difference of 1.5 million votes. Any the BTA MPP.
And another question now that we are reacting to me mass
and now we are Yedina Minkasa now Kasa
post Rollins.
So keep quiet and
there's a own Tiasia
and Yedina Minkasa. I told me, you know, Yakoa say no for Nanuya, then on 1 year. Or see in TV quality results.
One of kind.
Yeah. I
said get your words.
I send off your boom from upon Sika Mutriaye. And the chrono we showed you say we are far better and far advanced than the MPP. And the Akacho said this election is going to repeat. Asenof is going to repeat. And until Professor Akacho said, if you want to learn from the wise, go to the Asenof. And the Asenof DSC, we collected our results exactly 1 hour after the elections. Now, the next say a results are declared, Then the electoral commission. The electoral commission had no other alternative than to even concur to our results. Now, Kofi, now the elections limited registration. So when him say electoral commission as channel figures be and you're correct. It took the NDC again. Say your results are registrations are here collated from all the different centers, na any electoral commission every results no enye pe. I'm electoral commission about the patch of me say you do also I will address that. But now me person me address as someone can say NDC has very poor polling agents. NDC cannot collate our results. NDC at the end of the day no. And I mean make a reference. I send off nanu ya. And the recent reference I made to me the amount I send off. That's after Mahama made that statement. And Kawankasa. Now Kofi in Koma ye dia about Nigeria menhwe no kasa ye because we belong to a certain sub-region. Na ye be African Trade Hub System. South African Trade Hub System no Ghana card kwa hwe so ye Ghana card na guso ya trust ECOWAS card meboa eno nti enkomo ye di no yen hwe se yen denigrate other neighboring countries because then I see yen call for be then almost take Nigeria almost so edwuma. However yen my yen mine no and was ye hwe se ye beto to ye security in same ye, and that is very important. Now ye ka security a so when him say the vice president of the Republic of Ghana me patron the portfolio there and not the head of the police council and you know say you know and ye betri Dr. Mamu Bawumia abasa nkomo we mu because na no a okoye enough no okoshia clergy no obekaya osofo ba ko sori ye e ka say enne and ono as the head of the police council no asori kromu ntimi nye no na asori nkwa am Roberts ababe robo ne be 3 times na omo be bia omo sisa bibia instruments organ laptop ni bibia into ono as the head of the police council wa fairly or catching when. So this is not a matter of say bia Nigeria for nkwa because omo yes anyam na nsem no enough no mo Nigeria for omo ye Ghana for. And let us not narrow the discussions into Abia Nigeria for because Nigeria economy no it is 5 times bigger than our economy. Yeah, population I say Nigeria kako about 280 million. And to say ye and common as yan share, I mean no say a lot of Ghanaians are going to Nigeria to start business. Ebi mo kwa no mo ye Ghana for so ye wo mo. So the discussion should rather be the efforts. Police men and our police council and make it to make sure say they are very visible. And then say wo call your fan say Sokoban Wood Village wa e chire ho baby sano Nigeria fo ne nkofu guo na nya de ketwa ba ko fi bibisa say police patroller e wo sa area mu no ete sen because I dey society be a society ni enyini society ni enema e koso no you definitely see some of these things are a big grow. It is part of the system. And if the IGP is listening to us this morning, if the regional police command is listening to us this morning, your best friend is say motorbikes now almost saying another down go for the tomo mono. Sebi enye motorcade enye you convoy nkwa esi omo fendi enim. Enye ye mo franketin kitten na ya na de bi omo twi pragia no ene esi omo fanchi esi omo nje omo 20 na 40 Ghana cedis no. Enye kasa biti traffic in but it is meant to also fight these criminals a be a Ghana for be a Nigeria for because I can say on all authority and all sincerity to say we have Ghanaians almost also and it all boils down to the economy. Send a name say but that is not to justify say wow what's it Ghana deno yes see pejumaye because some video na we here obi MoMo Vendor wakwa fa say etu no say papa say nye papa etu mo esum wonim say papa na nye papa na odidi akwa echi na chese o intimidate abranti o person oji ne sika no which is very very bad. And you go let us address our own home issues and some here as Jamaican and here tips about media individuals say bia otike mu a enye say otike mu enye say minim say for some time na STC ni other buses no edru baby no now they were planting policemen into some of these buses and not picking intelligence. So what you say but for now no yem be say sad in ekoso ana say ejai. So intimate pass let us not narrow the discussion to only Nigerians because go view in can ha say ubetimi akọ ubehu Ghana ni bi wan hwe obeka so in Nigeria ni. They have mimicked their behavior. Almost, it's almost Nigerians, but they are not Nigerians. They are just covering themselves with the Nigerian face. Saying they are making perpetuate certain crimes. And the Ghana Police Service, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the head of the police council, your best friend say he should be up and doing. Since economy edition in San Waseno, police council is actually one sa. Would down no. You say you bring peace and tranquility to protect our business. And then and Solomon and Muntimi enya sorry no because of Sir Amrobi case ekoso. Watch nice also more ye. When him say Fridays na a Christopher ye tire watch nice. And then because of sir security issues in no ye ntimi watch nice. It's your best say. Your best say the police can say en niema ye dia mo no. Sasi Jamaica say police recruitment ni so. Me bisa say and crying you recruit to into the Ghana Police Service no. How trained are they? Obeka see a raise concern be say ye mbofra na ye recruit to into the police system no. MPP members are omudinwo omubook mu and ye recruit to omo. At the end of the day they don't even advertise them. Obetin ye see afa police for by 1,000. No mu na MPP for. Sankra na be no makwa akokun sa okun here. They can't because there's no expertise. Omuntimi sa woko eye techiman salta. Sa mofra 8 no mu ye no. It was lack of proper training e diama police for nti no mutimi fa tu omu bon kra nwotwe etu omu mu ye no. Wow, enti the conversation does not have to narrow down to so be a Nigerian, so be a Liberian, so be a Gabon, there be Yen or mine ye dia. And Yandia said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as the head of the police council. And say Onona said yes, say someday Timu, get the mandate now man say on check his and he doesn't wait, he doesn't have to wait to become president before be say Juma because he did Juma Nation and Sadada. And nothing no call enough no as of funny bisa answer question no. So as the head of the police council, and then the way to me, what do you protect the clergymen? Because my sorry, I mean to me, my sorry. And then I made the pass and the turn out walk on in Konfuakika and Simu Esinim into his own very eyes. Gross display of ignorance and incompetence by the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Because he doesn't seem to know Eniema cost wo Ghana ha sei. Ebianto ko pie baby o so ye twa allowances amomo. And there about the headline say allowances no nkofo bi 30 months ye ntwe omoka, 60 months ye ntwe bi muka. Enti about the headline. So Dr. Mamu Baumia. Ejuma Edia Shenza, he should concentrate on the job that he has been given. And I believe, sir.
Did he say a tree allowance? And now approve it, sir, or approve 177 million for the allowance.
In fact, to quote him, to try and quote him, also they can make a statement. Be say, you cannot trust John Mahama on payment of allowances. And he went ahead to say, and don't say you treat your more allowances are more. And it took the question of that young, beautiful lady, very bold lady. And Obeka Chen said, since I have found as a trainee, I buy entry allowances money that, and the headlines near the buy, and Obesha boss said, or the finance ministry, no more by Thursday. On my allowance, baby, and then Tuesday allowance and buy it. Also, was a diatro. Dr. Mamu Baumia, the father of all lies, was a diatro. Where you are the Bian Kaukran, we didn't seem peaceful. No one catch and confess what catch on Mofas obey your mocan. As a father, now Kaukoy and Anagua make sure says Kanomucha Andra, your sister station TV3, Omofre, a president of the Ghana Nursing Training. No, Amamuka say Asat Sana Dunana TV3 mu interview no name Chase Kabia man. And the catch Dr. Mamu Bamian, so person be president. Ejuma ne de ahye ne nsasisi an onhwe no nye ejuma no. Ghana for be hwe ejuma no de ahye ne nsa no. 1 as the head of the police council. 2 as the head of the economic management team. Say ejuma mienu say mejidi say otimi perform ya. Ghanaians will watch his KPI. Ade KPI key performance indices. Ghana for be hwe sa indices no. No ma to abama no as the next president of the Republic of Ghana. But when timi anye sa nemo na Kofi me dohoro. Ghanaians you cannot take Ghanaians for granted.
Thank you very much. 35 minutes past 9, 15 minutes to hit 10 o'clock. Hi, Akoma, 87.9 FM.